under these sections we can perform this daybook entries. All the other transactions, sales, purchase, so all can be viewed under the daybook view. We can specify the section daybook only, or credit sales, check collections, all the things we can view under here. We can see only the daybook entries, and so this is very much important to balance the daybook and the day's transaction by using this opening balance and closing balances are there. Here we can do the daybook entries. So if I want to make this, want to receive the customer payments, I can enter the account number, or I can just starting letters and F2 some accounts starting from MA, like this, and here some credits, and if I want to make some payment to the electricity, EL starting letters and F2 electricity expenses. So open balance and end transaction. Yes, I can post it or can keep it for the later posting. Yes, so likewise we can post it, and daybook can be viewed like this, trial balance like this. So any print, if you want, we can print it, or we can export to the Excel and can do the better formats or desired formats and print, or can create the graphs. So here we can use some other facilities. The ledger view is a statement of an account, so any accounts transaction detail as a statement, so we can see here. If we don't know the account number, we can go here and can choose the type, or just we can give the starting letter. We can give some M or something, M, and here we can use this particular customer. Click selecting this customer, that number will appear here. If you select this number will come here. I can select this and exit. Here I will give list this from this first, then this the customer statement. Here also we can view this customer's invoice details like this, and we can print and give the transaction by using this default format. Otherwise we can export it to the Excel and can do some additional formats. There is the ledger view, and the trial balance we already have discussed, and age analysis. It's very useful things. Here we can give the date, and we can specify the customer number. I can give this customer number and list the one customer's areas will be displayed. The total areas is like this much, and 30 days, this amount is falling under 30 days areas, 31, and this is over 90 days. So this report also can be exported to the Excel. And so if you want to see all the customers, agency report of all customers, we have to leave it 0 or blank list. Now here we can see this all the customers outstandings and how much falling under the 90 days, 60 days, and totals. So okay, and likewise we can take this profit and loss reports for the particular date range like this, and this one now showing the some samples values, so maybe not categorized well. And for balance sheets also like this, it displays, but it should be categorized these accounts in a correct format. You can use this reference to for the categorization purpose. And this chart of account is useful if you want to categorize the general ledger's account to get this profit and loss and balance sheets in a correct way. We can use this chart of accounts. Here we can mention, list and see these accounts are marked like this. Any mistakes there or any changes there, we can so like this. So any changes there we can modify under this ledger view by giving the account number, and can we change these categories for the correct format, so correct way. So once you set up this all the category in a correct format, so we can get the balance sheets and profit and loss simply by giving the date range or giving the date to the balance sheets. So these are the main functions there. So I have covered normally these entries without its check module. Here also, if you want to that once you finish the day's work, you have to go again for the day end, can change the date and can continue the work to the following date. And suppose if you want to make some entries for the past dates, we can use this option to change the date temporarily to the to enter some days or do some corrections, but these options is allowed only for the administrator. So next I'll explain these users and the corrections also like this. You can correct for one row or can delete all the row, all the transaction for the particular date, so that if you delete this invoice, that related stocks also will be revised. All these remarks are listed here. So let's see the user configuration next.